Hello, good afternoon. This is Tushar Chavan, General Secretary of Nasik Industries Manufacturers Association. We are very glad at NEMA with association of GIZ, Tata Technologies Limited and the consultant Taikubation as our project partner. We here would like to rather announce and appeal to all the engineering students as Tata Technology Ready Engineers program has already been launched and they are looking forward to get good ideas, innovations, inventions from the root level, and that root level is from the engineering college students, and especially this program has been launched for that. We look forward to have maximum participation from the engineering students. If the students, the group of the different colleges get funding for it, so that is why we have come with the 6 themes. Those themes are there on the website. You can go through that, and I am really happy to announce here that till now we have got a very good support from all the engineering colleges. Almost 25 odd colleges have been participating in it, and more than a few hundred students have come across, and we are looking forward to fund to those good projects, good 6 themes. Near about 50,000 we are going to finance for the each project. So accordingly, if in future also you need, when we have with us Tata Technology, GIZ, I think funding will not be a problem. Only thing is that you people should come forward with the innovative ideas. And we are always there at NEMA to help you people, and we all should bring up the Nasik's name in the top list of the state as good as country. And I appeal once again to all of you to participate in it. We at NEMA, having the membership of large scale industries, small scale industries, micro level industries, we will also be mentoring you all people whenever you need. We can take you up to our industries whenever you want. We can visit up to good industries in the limited sections like Mahindra, Myco. There are n numbers of industries in different sections. Because Nasik being the electric hub, we can have that sort of companies also, ABB, Crompton, Siemens. So there are good opportunities for you engineering students for this accelerator program. And finally, I would like to submit that you all should take advantage of this unique program. I look forward to have interaction in future with you all. Thank you.